Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. The question today is, how long does it take for me to get rid of my pest issue? Now, first of all, you're not going to get rid of your pest problem overnight unless you physically go in there and pack up the little boxes and help them move out. But if you're using pesticides properly, then you should notice an immediate reduction in activity. With some products, they're designed to see an increased activity over a short period of time. It'll appear that the problem is getting worse before it gets better. This is completely normal. You won't get total control until you break one of the stages of their life cycle. It also depends what pest you're dealing with. For fleas, you're looking about 2 weeks. For ants, about 7 to 10 days. With roaches outside, you're looking at about a week. Spiders, like your friends, will leave typically when they want to or when the food source is gone. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today.